I'm Don Miller, Senior Data Consultant with Constellation Software's Data Solutions. They put senior in front of my title simply because I've been doing this for so very long. For the last 35 years, I've been providing dealers with analytical reports and analysis. First for the dealers that I worked for, then the dealers that were my consulting clients. 5 years ago, I began working with our team at IDS to be the first to provide key insights to RV and marine dealers regarding repair event cycle times, an issue that has plagued the industry for many years. Proud to say the results of our efforts has been an award-winning monthly report that IDS provides to the dealers for free. A report that has helped many of them pinpoint key bottlenecks in their repairs processes and effect changes that resulted in improved customer satisfaction and profitability. Did I mention the report was free? It's one of the ways IDS is giving back to their dealers in the industries they serve. Today, I have the pleasure of introducing you to another example of IDS's philanthropy. We have expanded our analytical reporting to include another industry first, providing key performance indicators for sales revenue and F&I. We now have an infographic available for free called Dealership Industry Insights. Here is where RV dealers and marine dealers can find industry-specific KPIs that not only indicate the strength of the market, but also provide departmental data points for sales, F&I, and service. The infographic has three main sections. The first section is the monthly revenue section, which compares last month's results to the previous 2 years for quickly determining whether the market is experiencing an increase or a decrease and where that trend's heading. The F&I highlights section provides average deal structure, key stats about vehicle type, and penetration rates for finance contracts and all the major ancillary products. These penetration rates are then added together to get an F&I profitability index so dealers can quickly determine the effectiveness of their F&I department compared to the national averages. And of course, we are including the repair event cycle time stats, but here we're not just providing the national averages. We also break it down by region, providing the cycle time averages for all work orders and the work orders impacted by the two main bottlenecks, warranty coverage and out-of-stock parts. Here, dealers in these regions can compare their cycle times to dealers facing similar issues. This graphic as a whole provides dealers invaluable and hard-to-find data points that can aid them in business decisions, employee evaluations, and process improvements, and it's free. Click on the link in the description to download the latest version. There you can also sign up to be notified when future reports are published. It's just another example of how IDS is giving back to their dealers and the industries they serve. I'm going to leave you with one final thought. Webster defines data as factual information used as a basis for reasoning, discussion, or calculation. Data mining has been defined as the extraction of implicit, previously unknown, and potentially useful information from data. We've often heard the phrases, don't expect what you can't inspect, and knowledge is power. These could not be more true than they are in today's market. Knowing how well your dealership is performing compared to industry standards and compared to your own historical performance is invaluable. If you aren't inspecting it, you can't track it. If you aren't tracking it, there is no accountability. And if there is no accountability, there is no motivation to change. Track your dealership's performance and evaluate it frequently. Your data is like gold. Mine it often.